Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Lila the first to release new music under the Indignation RCA partnership. The track dubbed I Spy was produced by Easy Beats, who also produced Coffee's global smash Toast. I Spy will be featured on Lila Ike's upcoming EP The Experience, scheduled for release next month. The new single and visuals arrives on the heels of Protégé announcing via Rolling Stones magazine that his Indignation Collective has made a partnership with RCA Records and Six Course. The joint deal will see himself, Savannah and Lila Ike releasing projects through a multi-album venture, which will ensure that Indignation retains creative control of their music whilst getting support and guidance from a major label. I spy, I spy. Local film Sprinter has been added to major streaming platform Netflix across the United States. Now, Sprinter has also been added globally to digital streaming platforms including Apple TV and Amazon Prime Video. Writer and director of Sprinter, Storm Salter, expressed gratitude for the film's exposure.
Exciting times. It was a crazy journey to get from just a small idea to where we are now. I want to thank everyone who believed in this and worked so hard to get this film to where it is, and also to the film festivals that welcomed and awarded this film and helped to create the momentum that got us to this point.
Sprinter has won several awards, including the Best Narrative Feature Award at the Pan-African Film Festival. Funded by Will and Jada Pinkett Smith's production company Overbook Entertainment, Sprinter tells the story of student athlete Akeem Sharp as he tackles love, family and temptation whilst focusing on his dream of reaching the United States to reunite with his mother. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. See you next time.